Hello and welcome to the channel. In this tutorial, we will see how to install VMware Workstation Player on Ubuntu Linux. In this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Desktop 18.04. So now, let us get started. Before installing VMware Workstation, we need to make sure the system is up to date. To do that, open any terminal and type sudo apt update and hit enter. Enter the password for user if prompted. Now type sudo apt install build essentials to install required packages. Once done, you can download the VMware Workstation Player from their official website. The link will be added in the description below. To download, click on Download Now under Try Workstation for Linux option. Click on OK to save the file and wait for the download to complete. Once the download completes, open the downloaded location, right-click on the empty space and select Open in Terminal. Now provide execute permission to users by typing sudo chmod +x with the file name. Once done, you can install VMware Workstation Player by typing sudo with the file name and wait for the installation to complete. As you can see, the installation was successful. VMware can be accessed from Start menu. To do that, go to Start menu and search for VMware and click on the application. Here it is asking us to accept the license agreement. Now select I accept the terms in the license agreement and click on Next. Now accept the license agreement for VMware OVF tool and click on Next. Select Yes option if you want to check updates on startup. Otherwise, select No and click on Next. Select your option whether you want to send usage statistics and system data to VMware and click on Next. If you have a license key, then select Enter a license key to allow commercial use. If you are using VMware for personal use, then select Use VMware Player for free, and for non-commercial use, then click on Finish. Enter the password for user to complete the setup. Now you can start creating virtual machines. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.